Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. You see, you can take off my glasses because I don't read none. I want to say welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way go to the platform. I don't feel no way if you see my eyeball them look out of focus. Thing just the phone just look. I can't see but it look foggy. See? Yeah, welcome viewers and subscribers. You know, see, and I want to say, big up to Foota hype. You know, see, it's a youth where always left on the ball. See, very rarely him say nothing we don't agree with or we don't full stand clearly. We can relate to. You know, see, but we hear him say a thing the other day upon the alien, the subject of the alien. Now to me, don't get me twisted. You say where I man meds there, when it come on to them things, it's like a dopey story, see me. So I say, I said that with a little laugh. You know, see, because we don't know a dopey story we grew up on and grew up and hear about when the time you start to see, or people claim, say, them see entities from another dimension or anything like that. You know, see, any dimensional related story. You know, see, so, a dopey we know about, I hear about, you see, because something that way, even the pastor man, you know, the Christian, you know, entitled them time the legal if it costs bad word, you know, when them see a dopey, you know. They remember that, yeah man, pastor, you hear a pastor out there tear some wood up a cloth, man, you know, see a dopey. You know, see it? Oh, I and I people still. Our connection that to spirituality. You know, see, I know say any realms outside ourselves, our existence, it connected to I and I spiritually, same way. You know what I say, like an extension of what? Of this present existence. So we as African articulate the thing. You know, see, and incorporate it to the spirituality. See, you know, white people, we hear with this argument of aliens and sightings of aliens, experience of aliens and knowledge of aliens. We don't really know much about them thing there. And we personally cannot, you know, full stand the narrative. You know? So, it kind of drop we in a career one, you know. If we pay attention to the narrative from the people them who have the experience, you know, them claims that the alien them are some probe people when them find them to learn things about man. Yet still them have superior technology and knowledge far beyond our existence. Where if we have some of them technology, just one little piece of them equipment, one little bit of them knowledge could have further advanced mankind, propel mankind to, you know, greatness, greater than we can even imagine. These are we can't separate that argument from we can't separate these abilities from the alien presence when we are talking about alien. You know, see, now these same, through these experienced people them with alien and things, like alien have the idea, the intention is for domination of mankind. You know, see, and all of them type of thing there. You know, see, now that show you say, I give the idea say the alien them are some conqueror. You know what I say, like the mentality of man where them go around and conquer, just the same man's nature them apply to the alien them, you know, the aggression, conquering without knowledge of local or cultural aspects or you know me I say, affairs and things like that. A guy just come force and theme thing for you. So the basic knowledge, intention and thing regarding the alien them is like a Christopher Columbus them. The same white man them a talk about themselves, them infuse themselves in the attitude and actions of the alien them now. I not stay like white man. I usually go around when black people, Egypt, Kush, Kemet and all of them places they step the world. Them go around and teach knowledge to them people here and upgrade them standard of living, give them power. You see, teach them religion, teach them government and things like that. The evidence is there. It's clear, undeniable. When a business was at a power structure want maintain for them thing with them lunacy and stupidity. Not even them when children them can't go home. White supremacy can't go home and tell them children them thing there and them children believe anymore. You know, see, uncle some slow learning children, you can tell that we're born out of some level of family intimacy of them sort of sitting there. Why? You know, see, them they can still fly these days, but them things don't exist no more. Knowledge increase, resource to information and alternative information exists. You know, see, so what we there is that we is not of that nature. You know, see, so the Chinese is not of that nature. The Asian is not of that nature. The Muslim is not of that. Yes, them is of a conquering nature. It's just man of this. We all them go out and establish themselves, you know, through the power where them maintain influence, resources and them sort of thing there. Bill Gates say I'm a philanthropist and them look away them come go to Microsoft and them go across the world and them branch out and start the whole heap of other sort of things. It's just human nature. You see, now how we gonna use human nature? The dog must stay like that, Rasta. The animal them, none of them not stay like that. Them have a different nature, a different approach. You see, them go so boop and bad half a year for themselves and get territorial about this. So. And them know say them cross the border and go in another man's zone and that. And if another man come over theme zone at different. You see what I say? Yeah. See, so it's a different nature to complete. The elephant roam and eat. Him not conquer nowhere. Everybody and everybody exists. Him just knows that the earth now no wire fence because him big. And him just go through and live. You know, see it? And not trouble nobody. And nobody not trouble him. Man, the most peaceful, most powerful beast. You know, see? So we observe the nature of a life and its existence. The people that will exist, the entities are the farms them where exhibit life. You know, see, because them say for me have certain qualities of life, which is respiratory like breathing, irritability like feeling, reproductivity like breathing, again like multiplication and things like, you know, a couple of other things. So if you say yeah life farm. So with all of the everything we exhibit these things where I say, yeah, alive. You know, see, so we are there as man now and say, well then, how comes them alien outside being here exhibit the same traits like a particular race on earth, the same people them where have the most experience with them, observe them the most interaction with them, the most knowledge of them. You know, see, now, again, nothing where the system tell we just take it and run with it, so unless we have some outside experience, personal experience from the ground with, regardless of how them want to romanticize or structure the narrative surrounding it, we have our personal experience, we know what it is about, so at least we agree say it exists, but we have different definition or terms of description or whatever we are talking about. You know, see, so yeah, but when it comes to the subject of alien life form, you know, only such man and him friend them have exact or, you know, immediate experience. Why we run with such man argument? When such man lie and tell you everything what such man tell we a lie from morning. I never hear no African country or African nation show any sign or existence of alien life form. You know, see, white people, Western culture, attribute that to the I development, I existence. You see, like the pyramid, them rather than attribute that to them say, them rather choose to associate it to alien. And we say alien make them, And them say alien make them, and them associate alien with alien technology with Africa. You see, all of them things there, while even at the same breath, Foota I explain to whoever a person with my reason with say Africa did have electricity and all of that from way back in them time there. You see it. So we only have knowledge of our technological prowess or advancement back in these days according to the European structure of things. And remember, the European are hide with greatness. Even to this day, them still claim say them build the pyramids. Them still claim say the Greeks build the pyramids. In Egypt, them still claim. You see, still to this day, Rasta, when they listen to them narrative, there's no restructuring or revisiting these things. Even at this open time, it's an embarrassment, and them still live it, but we are laughing and go out with it. You see it? See? Oh, them people are come back and tell we say alien exists or alien believe. Why we? Why? You know, Foota I man really seeing, and then now added to the whole thing, my brother. Remember saying, them guy are domination them are dealing. I don't know we assess so. We not guess that are nothing. According to the people who experience alien technology and alienism, I take over them want to take over. Now them have superior technology, weaponry, education, and everything. Where them are wait pan, Rasta? That's the big question. Where the alien them are wait pan for take over this thing here? I'm going to try advance the piece up on the front of the whole argument. You don't see it before we go no further. You don't see it. Where the man them a wait pan? Where them a wait pan? You don't see it. I don't saw them thing to go. When we a test subject, them just the one side that observe we full learn what? With everything where them have, them not supposed to can all predetermine we next move. No, this is not me guessing these things, no. It's based on the superiority which they are being described by the people who experience them, Rasta. You see it? So all of these questions now become something in a mind from them time there when I man start hear about this thing and people start talk about these guys here. You see it? And that's so conquering go. You know, come raise the planet resource and time and thing just for watch man self-destruct or influence man for self-destruct while you could have easily well just go so whoop, whoop, whoop 2 times and just destroy man and move on to your next conquest. That's so conquering go. It's the nature of how them describe aliens, Rasta. If we are going to have unless we design a different nature of alien in our head. Because as long as white people say alien exists, yeah, it exists true, but it not alien not stay like how them say them stay. We never experience anything there yet, Rasta. We not say them no exist. We can't say them no exist. Life, the most high creation and creatability is infinite. You don't see it? Only one, we, nobody else. Only life. And that's why when them come with the irritability and things like that, me no bother with that. 3 things life consists of. You know see, life consists of incorporating space, time, and matter. When you go so boop and integrate the 3 of them together, you embody them. Boom! Man. Life. Not man. Because a man alone a life. You see, that's life. You see, so we no full stand when some guy a come with or create for them own definition and terminology a thing and I present it to I and I like say, you know, we totally dependent of them, you know, how them daily things are, explain things for I and I even come to a conclusion or a fullness. You know, see it? Now, there is another thing where we observe deeply with all of this is that, you see, when some people deny God, they choose alien. When they deny the Most High, no, usually the people them where here endorse this alien thing. When you question them, you know, where them think about God or a creator or a, you know, superior being, a supreme being of some sort, them no agree with the thing. The two thing no work together. You catch my drift? No, but again, you have to ask them that to find out that, you know. Because them no want you know that straight out. Because it's all too much of an immediate challenge. Aggression is like a man want to find a different way for warrior than come with a sword. So him use psychology. So him imprint these thoughts in your process. You see it and you're dead there and struggle with them and process them till you start find film logics now become yours. You see, and now in your mind, you personally develop a conflict between religion and this thing our government and this thing of spiritualism and this alienism. You know, see, now this is when a guy now can present himself because the seed is sown and the sucker grow, the tree grows, a young tree and now too. You know, see, so him not have it lessen conflict. You know, see, so now him can present himself, say, them thing they are real, man, them thing they are fantasy. You know, see that them thing, all right, observe this, because your mind done. It might not be fully converted, but it done caught up in the confusion of things, the conflict of things. Your mind in a conflict, and you and him in a conflict. Him just saw the conflict in your mind. You know, see, now you have him as a support next to you, where support one side of the conflict. So essentially now, that part have more power. You know, see, than the spiritual aspect. Because it have a guy that support it and have help fuel it. And it have push against inside. You don't catch me, Jeff. You know, see it? So that is a psychological approach and another aspect of things that now I nah say Foota hype one of them guy there. I would have more say it's like one of them psychology there sort of creep up on the general. You know, see it? Well, no disrespect to the man intelligence, 100% same way, and I nah say it's a fool think or seek and find alternative knowledge or full standing and them sort of thing there. And I say that I man just use I man, or I just observe it, I just try, I work it out, I man self too. You know, see, so I man, with all of that said, you know, I man have no true evidence of alien life form or alien existence, nor do I have any proofs of them that exist neither. Because like me say, life are the greatest. And the creator will incorporate time, space, and matter and make life. Can do anything with it, and it can do anywhere and everywhere, Rasta. You know, see it? So I can't jump and validate claims where some people are make, but always I tell I lie. While I don't have no sort of evidence whatsoever. You know, clear no matter how them, the only thing I might ever see is a falling star, like a meteorite I see across the sky. You know, see, never. So I just this Iman thing there regarding that. So Iman give thanks still once again. You know, see, share, like, and subscribe. I hope I make sense, Rasta. Give thanks.